Writers lab, and this lab will help you work on two things. One is pitch, but also you can start talking about volume with this activity. So you're getting, I believe it's 4 class sets of these. So you will have enough so everybody in your class hopefully can have these. So it's a plastic tube, and they are different lengths. And so there's a high C and a low C. Okay, so you can hear the difference there. The first activity I would have them do is just give everybody a boom whacker and see the different ways that they can make sound with it. I would caution you to have them tell them not to blow on it. We're not allowed to put mouths on this or anything, especially this year, but always I would, because you're going to have kids blowing on it. That's the first thing I'm going to do. But you can also hear the different sounds with the mallet. Okay, also by tapping on the floor, tapping on your shoe. Okay, so you get different tones, so have them play around with that, and you know they are 4th graders, so they're going to need a little playtime before you get down to business. This activity is also in your Ames book, and it's called Tune Thumpers there, but these actual things are called boom whackers, so that's what it's entitled, but know that Tune Thumpers is the same thing. All right, put kids in groups. You'll probably want to have kids in groups of 8 because there's going to be 8 in a set. And if you will just have them put them in order by size from tallest to shortest. Okay, and then have them investigate what happens if they play each one in order. Okay, talking about the highs and lows, and this one has a little paper with different things you can do in it as well. But then you will see with the Ames book, there's a couple things. There are some songs. So we projected this on the Promethean board, and then everybody had a boom whacker, and then they would practice their songs, and then we performed them, and we tried to guess which one there was. So they're simple. It's like London Bridges, Mary Had a Little Lamb, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Also, you could do it as a class, and you could hold up, there's cards, so you could hold up the different things if you wanted the whole class to play the same song. And so it's a great sound activity. Talking about volume, you can play it softly. You can just play it loud. Okay, so talking about how you get different sounds with more force. Also, it's a really great community building activity because whenever you make music together, you are doing that as a whole, and so it's a great way to give your class some cohesiveness as well.